Yo, what's up everybody? And today I will be showing you my Minecraft server. So basically it is still in beta testing and currently I need builders and staff members. I am taking homeowners, but it will require them to do some sort of application, and not like those just regular applications where you just slap just like one sentence worth of an application into it. You need to really work on your application. And I know I need a forums, but you'll need to use a book and quill to apply. And basically, um, you need to apply for all ranks. I'm not sure about moderator or if I'm just going to handpick them, but basically, you need to apply for especially administrator, head administrator, and head developer, which basically head developer they have the same power as head admins and admins, but they also have the ability to like give out ideas. And there's also going to be a regular rank for developers, which is just named developers, which I'm going to need some kind of group plugin. And if you can, just send me to a link in the comment section below to like a groups manager plugin, because I really like that. And I need to find the 1.8.7 one because I cannot find it on Bucket, because I went on Essentials and they said they couldn't, give out the links anymore, something like that. So if you could, then just tell me, like give me a link. That's all I need so we can get the ranks going. Because I don't recommend any other group plugins. And well, basically. There's not really anything to show, just this little thing right here. But pretty soon I'm gonna get multiverse world or something like that. And if you could be nice enough to send me to a link to both the portals version of multiverse and the multiverse main thing, like the core. Because basic it, hold on a minute. Come on! Dear God, man, right in the middle of a stream. Ah, sorry, someone is fucking interrupting me right now. Every time I go on a streams, it seems like I'm having bad luck because people are just fucking, bothering me in the house. So just ignore them because it's fucking annoying as shit. But anyway, so basically how the ranks work is this is how the ranks work. So I mean, no, I don't mean that. I mean, this is how the bank works. So you see, it's not like the other video I showed. I have a different kind of system because I can't find the latest version. Like there must be some kind of recode of the essentials economy plugin. And basically what I need to do is find the recoded version, because if it's not on Bucket, then there's obviously a recoded version. Because as you can see, if you look on Bucket, there is no more versions up to date for Mine Economy. So some guy was nice enough to recode it, but he removed some stuff and had to work on some stuff. So he removed the server sided thing, but I'm gonna try something real quick, like a local host thing. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I need to put in my IP address, and I mean not my IP address, my port. So I'm just gonna put that in there, and hopefully it will give me no invalid request. So obviously I'm going to need this. Go into the Probably go into the config file, so I can edit all that and stuff. But I am going to try to set up the server for you guys. And the thing is, since I'm having trouble with port forwarding, not really, but the thing is, my internet cable is broken right now. The thing that connects it to the thing that broadcasts my internet. So basically, it's broken. So I have to use someone else's internet. So right now I'm using one of my family members' internet instead of mine. So yeah, I can't use my internet right now. And the thing is, they won't give me the password for their admin panel. They think I'm gonna fuck it up or something like that. So basically, this is what I've turned to uTorrent. Now I know it sounds retarded as fuck, but this is the only thing I could turn to do it. But this thing is about this also. I had to disable something in the advanced security because for some reason it wasn't letting me go into the thing because the authentication servers failed to go in. So and this is the same thing that happened when I tried to port forward with not just uTorrent, just the advanced security, which is even more stupid. But basically, I disabled that thing for that also, and then it started working again. So I'm thinking that also messes with my connection in some way with port forwarding and stuff. So basically, I turned off the thing for that, and hopefully it doesn't turn off my all of my port forwarding. But if you could just try to go on my server and we can get started. But there's no viewers right now, but hopefully I can get some viewers going so you can just go to my server and you can try it out. Because currently, since there's no viewers since I started the stream, basically no one's even seen my IP address that I put in the description below. So no one's gonna be in my server until someone sees this. No, possibly not, because it might still not be working. Because there's a lot of people that commented in the video I found it for. They said thank you so much. There's a lot of good feedback on that. So maybe it works for some people and some other people it doesn't. So I don't know, but maybe I'm just gonna disable my entire firewall so I don't have to deal with that, and maybe it'll start working. And if not, then I'm completely giving up on port forwarding, and I'll possibly go to server hosters that, of course, cost. Because if you're trying to search up a free Minecraft server hoster, the only ones that are free, they really suck. There's no good Minecraft server hoster out there that's really good, because most everything that's free isn't the best thing you're gonna get that they have the right now. Because there's this one hoster I tried to get, and you know what? Every time you go into there and start your server, you have to go through a queue or whatever you call it, a waiting line, basically like a waiting line. So yeah, it took forever. And once I got my server started, no one even connected because they're not popular. Because now I'm just trying to do it by with uTorrent, which I don't know if that'll actually work. Which most people say it doesn't work, but some people are giving good feedback, saying thank you so much, stuff like that. So maybe it will work for me, and maybe it won't. But hopefully, I can get some viewers going so they can test out my server. And once I get GTA 5 downloaded, and once it starts downloading again properly, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of Grand Theft Auto 5 videos for you guys, and it'll probably be really fun because I got the name of Trainer, and before it crashed because of one of the files were corrupt and they didn't download completely for some reason, which I actually know the reason, but I'm sure you do too. But basically, right after I got through the prologue, which I found out the G1 for the RPF file, the letter G1, that one didn't download completely because the MD5 checksum wasn't the same as the original one that it should be. So I checked it and it wasn't. So that was basically the only one that had that. So possibly if you're having that error, like if it's just G, then just be careful because you might want to check the MD5 checksum before you even want to go in there, so you can get it done faster. And because basically what I've learned from is the G file is basically the one where it like loads up the whole thing, like the city. I'm thinking that's what it is because when I went into online mode and then I decided to quit and it went down to my character, that dude that you have as your character, and when your camera comes down from the sky and stuff. Well, basically, when it went down, you could see nothing. You couldn't see the city, but once you got down there, you could see the player and all. But I think it's just what loads the city, and that's why it had an error, and that's basically why I could not play, and it gave me a zlib call error too. So that's my problem, and still I'm not getting any viewers. So I think it's the word that is mine. They're probably gonna think this server probably sucks. Man. You know what? I hopefully get some viewers, so I can meet some new people on my server, because I haven't ever got it to work, and it's really sad how I can't even get this crap to work. And I don't think I'm gonna have any viewers today, but you know what? I'm just gonna stay on here for a while. So, and you can always, like I say in most of my videos, you can skip through if you're like watching at a future time. Want to see me like possibly be playing with some people? Then you might want to skip through the video right now, because I'm probably gonna have a long wait. I don't know, but yeah, it's been taking a while for this stream for anyone to, view the stream, because I had a viewer too in some of my streams today throughout the week and stuff, and I just want to get some views and stuff. It will. It's possibly gonna work. Hopefully it does, because I really, I mean, it's one of my life dreams to host a server. Because I haven't got that to work. Just blame whoever created port forwarding. It's not your ISP provider's fault mainly. It's the person's fault who actually created the port system. Because just blame whoever created it. I forget his name, but there's some guy that created that system. So just blame him for that. Because maybe it is mainly your ISP provider's fault. I don't know. But I use Netgear. So yeah, every one of my internets I've ever had, I've used Netgear. It's one of the best things you can get, but it's very complicated when it comes to port forwarding. For most routers, it isn't, but for most of them, it is. It may depend on the type of game that it is. Some games may be really complicated. I can't name anyone, but some of them are very complicated when it comes to port forwarding. So I wouldn't recommend. Oh, there was one viewer a second ago, but he just left. I don't know if he crashed or something, but I hope someone can try out my server, because I haven't got any people yet, and I just need someone to test to see if that IP works properly. So hopefully another person comes on, because right at a second after he just went on, he just left. It's just, man. Okay, well, yeah, no one's been coming on at all still. That was pretty fucking boring. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna, just wait, like I said. Because not a lot of streams not a lot of live streams get viewers, but some do. But you'd have to be like a really famous YouTuber to get a lot of viewers on a stream at once. Like let's see, I know a Grand Theft Auto 5 gamer, yeah, and basically he's all about live streams. So basically, I watch him sometimes, and it's really fun to watch him. So yeah, this is a person you should really watch when you're like bored and you've got nothing to do. Or also sometimes when you're trying to download the actual game. But he has the Steam version of the game. But I'll tell you who it's Typical Gamer. He's a really cool guy, and I just want to take a shout out to him. Keep making those cool videos, and obviously he's not gonna hear it because he has never seen any of my videos, because I don't think he's the type of guy that watch a lot of videos of other people. I mean, he likes to make live streams. I'm sure he makes them every day. But yeah. And by the way, I have two accounts, and no, if you're gonna ask me if I can give you one of the accounts, I'm just going to say no. I do not give away Minecraft accounts. I'm sorry, but I need them. One of them will be my alternative account. And also, no, I am not going to give away what my other account is, but you possibly know. I don't know if you do, but just if you do, don't tell anyone else because I'm just gonna, Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to just keep on waiting for someone to come on because just a second ago I got one viewer. Okay, I think I'm probably just gonna build stuff while I wait it out. I don't know. This isn't supposed to be a building video, but basically I have no buildings, and since knowing that, but I don't want to waste my time if, nobody can actually, connect to my server, which port forwarding, it's sad, but I can never ever do it. But if this does not work, maybe you could send me a tutorial on how to do it without, actually logging into the admin panel or something like that, because really I couldn't even do it on mine. So hopefully you can send me a link or maybe your own tutorial on how you do it, but it can't include having to put in the password and stuff, of your router. I mean, if it's a tool, then I've tried a lot of tools which don't work out well because most of them have a full version in which some of them have a limit of how long you can put forward, which a lot of those are very short and they don't always work out properly. So just if it doesn't work out and you find out at the end of the video, I mean live stream, that it doesn't work, then you can just probably just help me out, and because I've always wanted to host a Minecraft server. And no, do not send me a link to a stupid, if it is a Minecraft server hoster, and right now I'm not going to buy one, so it has to be free, obviously, and it can't be something where you have to wait in a line, and it has to be something where there's unlimited slots for servers, and it has to be a thing where you can install plugins, and it will actually have its own type of IP and not just a random IP that it generates, because I hate that. It doesn't get, because you have to change the IP every so often when if you're gonna advertise it on a server hoster, and that can get really annoying, and they don't always work. So I wouldn't recommend doing that if you really hate that kind of stuff, which I've given up on all that kind of stuff where I'm trying to find a server hoster. After this, you know what, I'm probably just gonna give up pretty much almost completely on this, unless someone tries to help me out, because this has been a frustrating thing ever since I've gotten Minecraft, which was maybe like 2012, 2011, something like that. I can't remember what it was. But yeah, I've been with Minecraft for a while. Not, ever since it was made, but yes, I am closing out of my game because I'm gonna search up a few stuff before, someone actually goes into my video. So, I'm just gonna wait a minute while somebody tries to connect. Maybe I can see if somebody did, but nope. Nope. Okay, then I'm just gonna go search. You know what? I am gonna search some server hosters, but there's obviously not gonna be a good one. But anything will work. But every time I try to search up anything that has the title on it of free, doesn't work out so well. So I'm just giving you a heads up that I wouldn't really try to search for hours on a free server hoster because most of them really suck. Minecraft. Because I'm on a server hosting but there's a lot of them that suck. A lot of them suck if they're free. Just so you know, I can tell you over and over again, but a lot of people still try to search for hours. But after a while, when I try to search for stuff, it sucks. Triangle GS. I bet it's one of that bullshit like that Free forever. Sure, bro. There's obviously gonna be a package where you have to buy it. Like, there's gonna be a limit to it. I know that bullshit, dude. I know all about it because they always do that. Free full package, maybe not, but hopefully there's a free one out there. But there's sometimes there's always something that's out there that's free, but very few of them are really good. Let me read this. Free full packages. And by the way, if this works out, I'll probably send you a link to it. Paying for a game server hosting sucks. Use our free unlimited full packet server hosting instead. Hold on a minute. I bet there's gonna be a limit to the time that I have to. That's probably gonna have to make me. It's probably gonna make me. It's probably one of those websites that are free, but only give you a limited time to host. I'm sure that's gonna be the situation. I think I've been to this one again. We'll see, but obviously this is one of those bullshit things, because that's what a lot of people are thinking when they try to, show up those like they try to host servers. They're like, obviously this is a bunch of bullshit. Well, we'll see if it is or not. Which, I've been trying to do this for a very long time. So hold on a minute. Activate your triangle GS server in under 55 seconds. We'll see about that. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I wanna. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put my actual username in there and my first name. Okay, a bunch of creeps. Okay then. And let's see if there's any viewers now. Nope. Maybe there was a second ago, but if there was, they're gone now. So I'm just gonna put in my email address real quick, and I will be all set up. Yeah, here we go. And then I know I don't want to generate a password. Holy crap, are there people here watching me? I mean, can you guys see me? Yeah, guys can obviously see me, but it won't matter because you can't see my password. There's no way you can do that. And let's see, is it still in capitals? Let's try something. I'm gonna, you know what? I have a really good idea, but guys, I'm gonna have to, turn my screen sharing while I type in my password. There's gonna be a bunch of random characters, so I'm just hanging there while I make my password, because obviously if this doesn't work, obviously if I can't, host, then this will probably work. So yeah. So I'm just gonna unshare my screen on my server thing. I'll be right back in a second. So just so you know, if you're watching right now, I'm just signing up for something real quick, something that'll possibly work. It's a server hoster. Yeah. So not all of them that are free are really good, but some of them are. Just so you know, but there's very few servers that are free and that are really dang good. But you can search it up all the time you want, but mostly it's a waste of time trying to find free server hosters. Just trust me, most of the time, yes, it is a waste of time. So sometimes I wouldn't recommend trying to find one of those, because some of them it might really because most of the percentage of the time it's a big letdown. So hey, my one viewer, I'm trying to sign up for something right now. So just check out the description below, and it will have my IP address, and it is 1.8.7, and it is Craftbukkit. Yes, that is what it is. It has economy stuff, and right now I'm trying to get some more plugins. But if you could test that out and just go into my server, because there's nothing really built on there, but I'm trying to recruit builders and so like a co-owner. But I told in the previous part of my stream that you'd have to do. Oh, he left. He left. Well, I'm gonna add a new server, and we'll see how that works out. It's probably gonna be really awesome. But I'm going to show my screen on my browser. So real quick, just gonna get that set up. But yeah, he just left. That's really funny. Okay, well, hello, my one viewer. Hopefully that's not the same person, but right now I am trying to sign up for something. So if you could, could you test out my server, because this is going to be my alternative choice if if my server doesn't work. So it's 1.8.7, and if you want to see the rest of the info, just check out the description below, and you can test out my server and see if it works. Because that'd be really helpful, guys, because I just really need some support, and I am recruiting for builders and stuff. So if you could just help me, and if not, then I'm just gonna go to this because I don't know if it's gonna work, but it's probably a bunch of bullshit, like a bunch of those other free stuff. And if none of that works, I'm going to buy a server hoster for everyone to see. So yeah, so hopefully you're trying to connect to my server right now, and if not, then post in the comment section below if you have connectivity issues, which you obviously do because I'm using uTorrent to port forward, which is really stupid. But the thing is, I don't have the admin password because I'm using one of my friend's internets because actually my cable is broken for my internet, so I am actually using uTorrent to port forward, which possibly wouldn't work whatsoever. So if you could just check out the description below, my new viewers, and you could try to go on my server, and if not, then you can stick around and I'll give you my new IP for this server because I'm going to try to get it going. It just dropped to 3-1 members in just like 5 seconds. But anyway, so just check out the description below. My IP address and all the other info, like the version and everything, will be right there. But I'll tell you the version, it's 1.8.7, and my IP does have a port. I have it set up with uTorrent, which obviously isn't gonna work that well. So just tell me any connectivity issues and I will get that figured out. And if it does happen and I can't get it fixed, then I'll just use, this server hoster right here. And it's called triangle.gs. And I'm creating my server right now. Hopefully this isn't one of the things I had a long time ago and didn't work out well, because a lot of these I've tested and I've given bad reviews on due to their poor service. So hopefully you can help me test my server, and I'm going to check out the comments section below after this stream, and I will try to get everything sorted out to where I will have my own server for you guys, and we can, just if you want with the comment section right now, I'm gonna now copy the URL and type in the live chat if you want to tell me if you're having connectivity issues, because this is a 1.8.7 server. So if you could tell me the errors and stay on here, I will give you my new IP address for this server hoster because I'm trying to set it up right now. So if you could just be kind enough to stay on this thing so I can get this all set up and we can just have fun on my server. So which I'm going to have a lot of plugins like economy plugins, all that kind of stuff that's really good for servers. And yes, I am recruiting staff members and I am recruiting builders. So if you want to help me, you can do that. And I'm probably going to start up a PayPal account pretty soon to where you can donate to me and stuff. If you could really help out, that'd be really nice. Because if this won't work, and that won't work for my port forwarding, then okay, obviously people have tried to connect to my server, and it obviously isn't going to work, but I'm going to check out the comment section right now. So if you could type in the live chat, because I think I am seeing any chat in the stuff. So if you could just just check it out, and yeah. So I've got all the info right here, so just type in the chat, which I can't find it right now. So actually, I'm going to edit this right here in a minute with my new IP address in just a few moments. So I just gotta create my Minecraft server. Yep, this is one of the kind of servers that you have to buy that kind of bullshit. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that because obviously you're gonna have to buy. There's gonna be more plans, and they're gonna have that sucky ass plan right here. Because they're a bunch of dick bags that are trying to feed off their customers. Like, really? Okay, so I'm gonna try to search for another one because obviously it's not going to work. Alright, hosting. But obviously pretty soon I'm going to find the correct server hoster that I can check out and I can get that going, because I'm actually going to eventually find one. because I'm going to. Oh yeah, under a minute, sure. What are you gonna give me? More like a shitty ass plan, man. Okay, I'm gonna try it out though. Okay, so right now I'm going to try server.pro. So hopefully that works because obviously people have tried to connect right now and it's probably not working. So yeah. I don't think I can check out the chat, but just hang in there, guys. If you're staying right now and you've stayed since the whole thing, then thank you, because right now I am actually trying to set it up for you guys so you can have fun on my server, because I am actually a moderator on one server, and I think these a bunch of guys, I kind of got mad because one of the plugins banned me because they didn't know how to fix it or something. So basically, I can't go on it anymore, and I think they're even more pissed at me right now for that little outburst I made. So I think they just banned me. I'm sure because it said they'd be back by today, but hopefully they didn't ban me, so I can go back onto it. So that'd be really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put my host name, and we can get that all server. Let's see what should I call my server. Well, my name is Emerald Gaming Minecraft, so I'm just gonna put this in as Emerald Gaming MC. See, so that's going to be oops. So that's going to be capital E, then Emerald, and then Gaming, then capital MC. I'm going to set that up, and it will be ready for that. And it's going to be a North America server for free. If you're in Europe, you have to be a premium. That's funny. That sucks for them. Okay, well, I'm going to put mine as Craftbukkit. Luckily, they have Craftbukkit, so so Craftbukkit is now supporting Spigot. That's probably why my thing is working. So I'm going to put my thing in there, so it will work out well. Hold on a minute. Let's see how that works. And my memory. Oh yeah, but they have more memory on there. That's bullshit. How long do you want the server? You can extend your server while running in your control panel. Oh my gosh, it's one of those things where they give you a time limit. Okay, so guys, if you're going to search for a server, do not go to server.pro. Fuck those guys, because they give another one of those bullshit things that you could find in any average day free Minecraft hoster. They're obviously going to give you the lowest plan. They can give you 512 megabytes, which is bullshit and is basically a rip-off. So it's stupid. So yeah, my hosting is not going to work. So I am going to try to find an alternate way to do that. And if none of these free things work, I am going to get my credit card and I will buy a server hoster for you guys so you can play on my server. And I'll have a bunch of add-ons, maybe like which right now I'm using Mine Economy, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and I'm going to see if imc.io. That's the thing I'm on. So let's see. What is this? Click the grass block and get a free Minecraft server. Specs Spigot 1.7 1/1.8 running on 512 megabytes of RAM. Holy fuck. Okay, well that is pretty bad, but luckily they have 24 slots. So that'd be a pretty much fun server if you had that much players on there. The Whistler gets you stored after 24 hours. 4 hours. A few server hoster. Do not go to what is it? Instant Minecraft hosting. Fuck that also, because that's also not going to work apparently, because they give you the lowest form of hosting that you will need basically for the minimum requirements to host a server on anything. So that basically sucks really bad. So I bet this one's also gonna have that. Hold on a minute. I'm sure I've been to this one before. I don't know if I've been to this one before, but maybe I wasn't to this one before. So hopefully this one will work. And if I remember the layout, hold on a minute. Hold on. Spider or creeper. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good. So basically, these two are about the same. So if you want to get a free Minecraft, holy crap! I think this is the one where you have to do a survey. Oh yeah, this is the one where you have to do a survey. I think this is. I wonder if it is. I wonder if it is or not. But if you stick around, I will tell you the link. Or if you want to just check it out right here, you can. And then okay, so it's searching for a machine currently, and setting up Minecraft. Hopefully, it doesn't give you a fucking survey. So hopefully it doesn't. Okay. So hopefully, you know what, it doesn't try to give you. Oh, this is one of those survey sites, isn't it? Oh, no, 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 I don't think it is. Download now. Oh, holy shit! It's one of those survey fucking thing. I'm not gonna do a fucking survey. Do a fucking survey to host a server. My ass. There's nothing legit about this shit, and obviously I can't port forward because of the condition my system is in. So yeah, so this bullshit is going on. Like, anytime you try to search that kind of bullshit, it's not going to work, so don't even try. I'm just doing it so I can. Pretty soon I might find a server hoster, so I'm going to post in the chat of the description since I cannot port forward right now, but do not click the button where you're going to leave right now because I am going to actually set up a server where it's going to work because eventually I think I can find one of those things where you can actually host a server without port forwarding. So just stick around and I will tell you the actual IP, which I'm actually trying this out. So I mean, you can just stick around if you want. So I'm going to check out and see the features of this. We'll see. You can create on I think they mean unlimited Minecraft servers. You have full management, SSH access, which I'm not gonna see what that is right now. Unlimited player slots, private IP option, which you guys would see my IP because I wanted to show you. So check out my. Oh shit, they have hosting plans, don't they? Holy shit, man. Hopefully they don't, they don't give me one of that bullshit things that, you most likely are going to get when you try to search that. Like I say, this is not one of the most recommended things to do unless you're actually going to buy one of your Minecraft server hosters because those are the only legit ones. But they're still stupid. Okay, well, it's loading for the hosting plans. Right now I'm going to get it done. And let's see. Shut up! Busy. Hold on, there, guys. I just gotta go take care of something. Oh, sorry, guys, about this. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Hold on.
No, I'm going to find a drawer. I don't know what you're doing that you're not supposed to be doing. I'm sure it's something. Look at this mess in here. My God. Get in here and straighten this up. Turn the light on so we can see. No, I don't have to be quiet. What is this here? Shut up. What is this? Heard what I said. What is it? What's this here? You quit cussing. Don't you talk to me like that. You just get this stuff picked up. Because you're not going to. I'm trying to make things, find room for stuff in here. I don't have room.
What now? I'm going to do something. So can you please turn on your inside voice? Please.
My inside voice? What are you talking about?
Oh my God! Right when I'm trying to move life.
You know what? You are sick. You are going back to the doctor. And you are going somewhere else. Put this on. Put this shirt on. I'm trying to find a place to put your clothes. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to beat you, but you want to put me in jail, go ahead. I'm done. Don't get in these drawers. The lightweight pants. I need to get rid of all this stuff down here. Socks. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna get a belt. You're lying. You lied last night about brushing your teeth. To be a bigger liar than somebody else I know. It out. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. As soon as I get my bills paid, you're going. Take your money with you. That's just about all I can take. Curtis, help take care of your son. I'm tired of taking care of him. As soon as I get my shop Tuesday, I'm leaving. Don't tell me to shut up. All right, I'm getting a belt. I know right where there is one, too. You're going to get your butt wet. Come here. Come in here to the bedroom. Come here. Jared, you better get your ass up here. You're not going to talk to me like that. I'll come in that bedroom. I need the room. I have to go in there once in a while. If you're not doing Put that down in the icebox. Put it in the icebox. Oh, God. Well, you're getting nothing to eat from me. Shit. I'm tired of this crap. I'm just tired of him. I can't believe that you treat me like I can't treat you, sure you heard me.
Hey guys, I'm really sorry for that, guys. It's just that I bet you heard every single word of that. Don't worry, shit. Whoever that was in that background that you just heard, just don't worry about that. It's just someone that likes to bother me at that kind of time. It always happens. It's time, man. I swear, man. It's like she's planning to do that. Okay, obviously, that dude. Honestly, dude. Honestly, he just said smelly breasts. Haha. The fuck, man. I would like to help on this server. Okay then, Ian, if you would like to help me, if you're still on here, then you can possibly help me after I get my server started. Just please stay. After I get my server. Okay, hold on a minute. Io, okay, bitch, I'm gonna have to ban you. Okay, Io, I'm gonna have to ban you from my server. I mean, not from my server. Who gives a fuck if I ban him from my server? I'm just gonna, ban you from my server advertising because you just got yourself fucking banned because I really don't like that. Honestly, if you want to go, like try to advertise, then there's a thing, buddy. Buddy, you don't have to be really mental about this because there's a thing called Minecraft server advertising sites. You can honestly do that, but if you want to do this, then just please don't be a dick and go on to other live chats and just do this because it's very stupid. Okay, so Elijah, how do I do this basically? You can tell me something where I have to go into the why. Honestly, dude. I will repeat myself twice. There is a thing called Minecraft server advertising sites. Did you get that? Did you get that, buddy? I mean, because honestly, dude, you can fuck off, man. Because I don't care. I'm just gonna ban you real quick. Just hold on. I'm just gonna go into my server thing. Just hold on. I just gotta find my server console where I can ban him. I'm going into my console right now. And hold on, Elijah. I just gotta ban somebody. Who's the okay? So there's one of the unknown. There's an unknown guy. So that's obviously. How do I find the person that's doing that? I have no idea, honestly. So I'm just gonna find a way to ban him real quick. He's obviously gonna be a dick about this the whole video. Because okay, so Elijah, are you still there? Because if you are, then help away because it would really help me if you could help me port forward. So just send out a link or something, and that could really help out. I know. I know. Okay, you know what? Yell then. I don't care. Okay, yeah. Honestly, my internet's working now. Okay, so whoever heard that bullshit. I'm gonna read the comments down here. You guys just lost internet connection, and I'm gonna read through the hate comments. You can. Okay then, yeah. There's a lot of hate comments. Find it. I'm gonna this connection thing is just awful. I hate it. But it doesn't. It's just because of what's going on right now with my internet connection. Oh, crap, man. Okay, so I'm going to go to Minecraft server history. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back. I gotta go do something real quick. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I just had to take it. So there's a lot of viewers, and there has been a lot of hate comments, but you know what? That won't stop me from not doing any more videos because I never stop. Well, that isn't true, but I like doing videos, and it's not about how much subscribes you get, or how many views you get, or how many likes you get. Honestly, it's just having fun making the video. That's what it's all about, but that's not the way people think it is. But I, for one, that's how I think it should be. Like, because all that kind of stuff just really steams people up. How they can post some of the most annoying and mean comments out there. But you know what? Just ignore it because honestly, what are they gonna do? Jump through a computer screen? I mean, come on, guys. Think real, guys. Be real. I mean, honestly, they're not going to just come through a screen. I mean, it's like the words are coming out of a screen, but basically, you should just ignore it because if you ignore it, they will eventually stop. And but that doesn't go is the same for YouTube because there's always going to be haters out there. But you know, the same called haters gonna hate. I'm gonna create a server here for that, and it's going to be called Emerald Game NC, and the password is going to be I can't tell you what the password is, but I'm going to generate a password, but I have to unshare my screen right now, so just hold on, guys. I'm just going to generate a password, see if I can get it done. So you guys can see that right now, so let's see if you can see this. Nope, we can't. So right now I'm just going to generate a password. So I'm just going to make one with uppercase, so a bunch of lower cases and stuff like that, and just copy it from wherever it's supposed to be. Oh crap, I accidentally deleted that. So I'm just going to, do this. Really? Okay, so I generated a password from one of my programs I have. No, not really. I just, typed some characters and copied it. Now I'm just gonna paste it into the browser, which hopefully, won't. Yeah, yeah, it won't. So you can't see the password basically. So that's good. Once you see that. So I'm going to put in my email address and we'll see how that works. But obviously, it's going to be the lowest form of server hosting there is, because the lowest form of hosting for data is I think it's like 512 megabytes, and that is really low. But that's the minimum specifications for creating any type of server like that. I'm sure. So it's really sad how you have to do all that kind of stuff, and how a lot of people are having trouble with creating their server because of the port forwarding crap they have to do. So it's really sad how people try to do that, and always just remember to leave a like and a subscribe. And I've been seeing a lot of hate comments, but like I said, it will not stop me from having fun and creating my server. You know, yeah, just having fun. Dude. That's all you need to have. Like, you just need to have fun. And holy crap! Like, it can only be a 1.7.10 server, which that's not a problem. It's not a really old server, but if you still like 1.7.10, which is not a bad version, there's not a lot of bugs that I'm aware of, so it's not going to be whitelist. Animals, should we have animals or not? Let's see. Actually, we should have animals. Alright, so guys, I am back. Yeah, there's a bunch of. I tried that other server hoster, and it's a bunch of bullshit. Oh well, I haven't tried instant MCPE. No, wait, it's a PE server. Yeah, I didn't pay attention to that. Oh, Beast Node. Beast Node may be good. But if they sound really legit, then obviously they're gonna have one of those things where you can get like a type of server thing you can buy, and obviously they're gonna have the lowest form of, so like I said before in my stream, there's gonna be like some kind of low form like data thing, which really is a bummer for most of the part. Okay, hold on a minute. Horse 66 gigabytes, no limits. Hold on a minute. So there's no limit, and I have to contact them. Isn't this what the one? Is this like the kind of thing where you have to contact them and you'll ask them for a server?